Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. So just when you think that Samsung is done with their smartphone releases after the Note 20 series, they have come up with another release, which is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE or Fan Edition 5G. So yes, in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the phone, so keep watching. Starting from the unboxing, the box comes in white with a silver grey S20 text in the middle and S20 FE 5G down below. Opening the box and looking inside of the cover, you'll find the SIM ejector pin on the outside and the quick start guide on the inside. Then you'll find the phone itself. Underneath, you'll find the USB-A to USB-C cable and a 15-watt charging adapter. Now looking at the phone's design and build, it felt quite light and it had a matte colored finish, which to me looked great even though it is made of plastic, as a lot of people have mentioned and complained about. Then the rear cameras are placed towards the left side, where the overall design looks very similar to the camera array of the Note 20 series. Then the frames are made of aluminium, which was nice, and then the front has a flat screen display with the hole punch camera in the middle, where it had a silver kind of lining over there, probably to distinguish this phone compared to the flagship series. And then the phone comes with the in-display fingerprint sensor, which unlocks fast as expected. Now the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G comes in 5 colors for you guys to choose from here in Malaysia. The one which I have is called the Cloud Navy, which had a dark blue kind of finish, and it comes in Cloud Lavender, Cloud Mint, Cloud White and Cloud Orange. Now as for the phone screen, the phone has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with HDR10 certification, and what's nice is that Samsung has included the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, which is usually only available for their flagship phones. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, the volume rocker and the power button is on the right. Then down below there is the USB-C port and one of the 2 stereo speakers, as the other is at the earpiece area, which was nice because a lot of mid-range phones and some flagship phones even do not have a stereo speaker, so good job Samsung. Then on top you'll find the SIM card and the micro SD card slot, where it uses a shared SIM card slot. Now as for the phone's camera specs, the main lens is a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture 26mm wide lens and 8 megapixel f2.4 73mm telephoto lens and a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle lens. Then as for the front camera, it has a 32 megapixel f2.2 26mm wide lens. Now we all know when it comes to Samsung phones, it's not about the number of pixels, but it's the quality of the lens and of course the image processing, which I'm surely to go out and test it out thoroughly during my full video review of the phone, so stay tuned and of course subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't done so. Now as for the phone's video taking capabilities, the rear cameras record up to 4K 60 frames per second and the front camera records up to the same resolution and frame rate as well, so that was nice. Now looking at the insides of the phone, good news for all you Snapdragon lovers out there, because it comes with a Snapdragon 865 chipset with the Adreno 650 GPU, and in Malaysia there's only the option of 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. Then in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 10 with Samsung's One UI version 2.5, which I've gotten to love and appreciate, especially with this new and improved version. As for the phone's battery, it comes with 4500 milliamps of battery with 25-watt fast charging and fast wireless charging up to 15 watts, which I found it interesting since it comes with a plastic bag, so again, good job Samsung. And on top of that, there is the 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging or wireless power share as well, so stay tuned once again for my full video review when I use the phone as my daily driver smartphone to see how much of an average of screen on time that I get daily. As for the phone's price here in Malaysia, the phone is going for 3,399 ringgit, and I'll leave the pre-order link down below, as you still may be able to get the exclusive gifts worth 586 ringgit like the UV sterilizer with wireless charging, the clear standing cover, and the one-time screen crack protection, as there's few hours remaining for this pre-order promotion, and of course while stocks last. So guys, with this, do let me know what you would like to know about the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G down at the comment section below. And as usual, as I do in all of my first impressions video, is to help you answer all of your questions, which I'll reply to your comments directly when I do my full video review later on. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions and the unboxing video. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.